Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing? Welcome to another house to home video. First of all, don't judge my hair because I just took my braids out and your girl ain't ready to do her hair yet. So you know what? Don't judge me. Keep your comments to yourself. But yeah, I didn't wash it yet. I took my braids out. That's why it looks crazy. And you know how like you just like the little crimpy look, you know, when you first take your braids out. It's a little old now because it's a few days old. But anyway, that's not why we're here. So we're here because I should have picked up the camera earlier. We were out and I just didn't, and I'm so mad at myself because you guys would have got some banging footage. So yeah, we went to Lowe's today. We went to Big Lots today. We got a few things. So I'm gonna show you some of that stuff, and then I'll show you what I'm working on because I'm literally so excited. Like, so excited. So I have you in my little my little cabinet. So anyway, so yeah, we went to Lowe's and stuff, and this is what we got. Sorry for my little slippers and stuff. It sounds cray, but here's what we got for the couch. It says welcome home. We got this from Big Lots. This was cute. And then we got this one too, which is cute too. And then we had got, you're not gonna be able to see it, but oh, you can. This is pretty good lighting. This brown curtain, I guess, to match the, what you call it, just to give it a little contrast and stuff. So then we went to Lowe's and got an edge painter. I'm not a painter, so you see me doing something wrong, mind your business. Say hi. Say hello. And then we got some drop cloths from Dollar Store. We got two because it's only like 9 feet. And then paint sticks to go with the paints. The paint. So yeah. You guys, I'm trying to cook the best I can. So yeah, that's what we got today. And because I'm starting Casey's room, so it was only fair to get him some paint. So I'm gonna show you guys what we're doing. I just finished doing, like, I guess like the layout. I guess I wanted to go for like, he loves Paw Patrol, so Paw Patrol is his favorite thing. So I'm trying to go for like more of like the Adventure Bay, like a mountains kind of Everest kind of thing. So I think he'll like it, and give him like some boy stuff in here because he be tripping. Okay, so here's what it looks like. This is it. I had to clean the wall. I got the tape from Lowe's as well. So I did the wall, and then I labeled them of what colors that I'm gonna do. So I have the labels 1B and 2LB. So 1B is just the first blue, which is like the dark blue, and then 2 is like the second blue, but it's the light one. So I got 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then I think I'm just going to keep up here white, and then I'm just going to maybe like get his name here and stuff like that, and try that, because his bed came in the mail today. This is his bed. It is big as heck. This is all his stuff. This is his little room, his little closet. We're gonna figure this out here. I really don't know what to put here, but right now it's just serving the purpose for what it's, you know, there for. But this is all his stuff. These are like clothes that I have to go through. These are his toy in a box that I'm going to go through and see what he doesn't play with anymore. What's too young for him, stuff like that. Laundry basket, which I think goes amazing with the room because of the outlets is great, and like Paw Patrol has some great stuff in it. So this is what I got going on, and I think it looks so freaking good. So we're gonna get started. And yeah, let's go. Guys, welcome back to another video. So I think the last time I filmed the video, I was saying that I was going to paint Casey's room, which I did do it, and I forgot to pick up the camera. I'm so mad at myself, but I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like without him noticing, because he's in the living room. But don't mind the mess. It's just, we're just gonna do what it do, okay? I have to put his screen back in his window because it I'm trying to see if the light will make it brighter in here. The screen fell out the window, so it's on the side of the house. So I have to figure out how to put it back in. This gives some good lighting. And I gotta hurry up because my camera's about to die. So anyway, my idea was I wanted to do the mountains, which you seen in the last video. I had two colors in mind that I seen off of like, trying to see if I, oh here you go, right here. The little swatches from Lowe's. So I picked this and I picked the bottom one. I think, yeah, I think those are the colors. So I want to do like mountains. I kind of want it to be like some sort of Paw Patrol kind of thing. So I'm gonna show you it. Disclaimer, I'm not a painter. I'm just trying to get my baby's room together so he can finally sleep in here and I can, you know, organize it, get everything set up. So by all means, I'm not a painter, okay? So don't try to come for me in the comments because I'm not a painter. And I just still have to do like some little touch ups to it, to the baseboards. I'm just gonna paint them white. So, you know, don't judge me. I think I'm gonna keep these walls like white and stuff. Maybe do like the perimeter around it, one of the blues, and like the maybe like the door, like the trim of the door, like the color or whatever. I don't know yet. I haven't really decided. But I just know this was one of part of my biggest projects in this room, besides the closet, that I wanted to get done. So yeah, I'm gonna show you it. I think it looks so good. I think I did good. Like I said, don't come for me, 'cause you can keep that. I'm just a mommy just trying to make it look cute, okay? All right, so here it is. I picked the two colors. I call myself trying to make the mountains, which I think they came out so good. I love them, and I think he loves them too. Like I said, I just have to do some touch-ups down here, I think, on one of those, like the trim. And then I got some paint on the baseboard or whatever, the trimming board. And so I'm gonna clean that up, clean it off, and I'm gonna paint those white. So, cause that one's white and the one over there is white too. And then the ones over here, they're white. But I didn't get to this part of the room yet, but I am. But for most of the part, yeah, I did this part of the project. I think it came out so good. I think he likes it. I love it. It gives the room some type of character. So it looks so good. It looks so good. I love it. I love it, love it. So I'm gonna do the trims, that blue, because it's just lighter and it's so pretty. It came out beautiful. I actually really do love it. So yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. And his bed did come. I just haven't got it up yet because obviously I want to do this. And yeah, so that's all really for this part of the vlog. We're about to have some lunch and then I'm gonna get home and take a nap. Sorry that this vlog is probably like scattered all over the place. I'm trying to get these videos up. I only got the one video up so far, but I'm really trying. We had like a mini flood in the basement the other night. I had to buy a shop vac from Walmart and bought a fan to air it out. The window was open and a little bit of water came gushing out the windows, so the floor was pretty wet. The wall, the dehumidifier was there, and it kind of, you know, so but you know, I called the insurance company, figure out what to do with that, and I got majority of the water up and out of the way. It's just that this is so frustrating because we just had a mold problem before we moved in, but the people fixed it. It's my arm, actually, child. Yes, it is. A mold problem before we moved in, and the people fixed it. So hopefully, when the adjuster come out, it won't be too bad, or he would say like, oh, there's no mold or anything like that. So hopefully, but yeah, that is all for this video. I'm sorry that it's so scattered. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.